You've definitely seen /24 after an IP address, but what does it really tell you?
That tiny bit of notation, it tells you basically everything about the network size.
The quick answer? 254 usable addresses. But that's not quite the whole picture.
See, the total number is actually 256. So, where'd the other two go?
This whole slash thing is called CIDR notation. Think of it as shorthand for a subnet mask.
So that /24 literally means the first 24 bits are for the network. That leaves 8 for devices.
And those 24 bits, they give us that classic subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. You've seen it before.
So here's the crucial part, the difference between total IPs and usable IPs for your gear.
Those two missing IPs, they're reserved so the network can, actually work.
Okay, so how does a 24 stack up against other subnet sizes out there?
And wow, look at the difference. We go from a tiny /30 to a huge /16.
So with all these choices, why is the 24 the one you see all the time?
It just hits that sweet spot, making it a favorite for network admins.
Seriously, you'll find them everywhere. In your office, your smart home, you name it.
But a 24 isn't always the perfect answer. You gotta be a bit strategic.
Got more than 254 devices? Yep, you're gonna need a bigger subnet, like a /22.
On the flip side, for just a couple of devices, a smaller subnet saves precious IPs.
Stick to these best practices, and you'll build a network that's both tough and efficient.
So it really comes down to this. Is your network just for now, or is it ready for what's next?